Respected DEO Ms. Uzma Kambol Sahiba and TEO Mr. Imran Ali Hussain Shahani and all my guests, artist headmaster and dearest teacher, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayan. I am from class 5th. I am very happy to see my all mentors, that is my parents, my officers and my teachers, under one roof God my better future. I am on behalf of all students, I am pleased to thank for my headmaster Mr. Fahim Abbasi and my teachers to work hard for my future and my teachers to work hard for my future and wants from my parents to highest area of improvement which I am highly confident my headmaster provides us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ayan. Well done.